Hi, good morning! Kamusta kayo? How's everyone? Wow, first, congratulations sa lahat, the organizers, and of course, to all the finishers. Grabe naman, lalong-lalo na, alam nyo, congratulations sa ating mga batang finishers. Asa ba yung mga kiddie finishers natin? Somewhere over there. You know, just like to say, sobrang usong-uso yung mga sakit ngayon, lalo na sa bata. Kaya mabutit nandyan yung Celine Plus para sa kids natin to help stop that immunity gap. So parang ang lawak po na mga po pwedeng kunin ng mga bata for Celine. Because from ages 6 months to 2 years, nandyan yung Celine Plus drops. Tapos from 2 years to 9 years old, yung syrup, and 10 onwards, nandyan na yung chewables. And I think yun yung talaga yung bagay na bagay para sa ating runners this morning.
Yes, oh my gosh, diba guys? Can you imagine, we are here in the presence of the one and only Ding Dong Dantes.
Yun!
Si Kuya Dong nandito for us.
Help stop that immunity gap and to prevent it, palakasin talaga yung immunity. And I think the best partner for that is Celine Plus.
Celine Plus is the way, and I know